Ruhil Reza, who led the backyard prayer, is here today as well. She does the traditional call to prayer, something else that women don't normally do.
Lose sight of that.
Then, as in most mosques, a sermon before the prayer.
We need perseverance in everything we do. Allah rewards perseverance with success. And we have to keep going and keep going and keep going. And I'm hoping that other mosques will follow our example and that other prayers will be led by other women. And these young ladies will be the prayer leaders of tomorrow. I'm counting on you guys. We need to keep going, and we need to be willing to do it in the face of opposition, because the opposition is going to get worse before it gets better. And we all have to be prepared for that. And we all have to hold on to the fact that this is truth. Allahu Akbar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Then, the moment that'll go down in history.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hola. Please bless us this day. Bless us in all our efforts and our service to you. Assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you. Good job. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you too. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.